In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create AI video with Higgsfield. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a single image and a short prompt into a polished AI-generated video using Higgsfield's online tools. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Higgsfield website. You'll land on their homepage, which highlights their creative AI features. Take a moment to let the page fully load so the top navigation bar appears. That's where we'll find everything we need. Move your cursor to the top of the page and hover over the video option in the main navigation. This reveals the video creation area and makes the related tools easy to access. If you don't immediately see the option, give the page a second to respond. Sometimes the menu needs a brief hover to expand. From there, select Create Video. This opens the workspace where you'll assemble your video. You'll see fields for an image, a prompt, and a model selection, along with a button to begin generation. Click Upload Image. Choose a clear, high-quality photo that matches the subject of your video. For best results, use an image with good lighting, a well-defined subject, and minimal clutter. Make sure you have the rights to use the image, especially for public or commercial projects. After selecting your file, confirm the upload and wait for the thumbnail to appear so you know it's ready. Next, type your prompt. Think of this as your creative direction for motion, mood, and style. Be specific but concise. You can mention the type of movement you want, the atmosphere, and any visual cues that matter most. For example, a gentle cinematic push-in on the subject with soft lighting and subtle background motion. Avoid conflicting instructions like asking for both fast and slow movement, and keep the tone consistent with your image. Now choose a model. Higgsfield may offer options that balance speed and quality differently. If you're unsure, the default or recommended model is a safe bet. If you're aiming for more realism or stylistic flair, pick the option that best matches your goal, knowing it might take a bit longer to render. Finally, click Generate. The system will process your image and prompt to create the video. Rendering time can vary based on model choice and server load, so be patient and keep the tab open. When it finishes, your new AI video will appear on the page, ready for you to view and refine in future iterations. That's it, simple, clear, and powerful. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Higgsfield.